Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to update DualSense Controller. Let's go. First way, with PlayStation 5. Connect the controller to the PlayStation 5 via USB. Turn on your PlayStation 5. If an update is available, it will run. Or open Settings, Accessories, Controller, DualSense Wireless Controller Device Software. If an update is available, click Update. Second way, with PC. Open PlayStation website, Support, Hardware and Repairs. Controllers, DualSense Controller. Update, update device software on PC. Install app. Connect your DualSense controller to your PC. If an update is available, click Update. That's it. Now you know how to update DualSense controller. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.